Hey everyone! Welcome to this beginner-friendly guide on Solana, one of the fastest-growing blockchain platforms in the world. In this video, we will cover what Solana is, how it works, and why it is different from other blockchains. Plus, I will show you how to get started with Solana in just a few minutes. So, if you are ready, let us dive in. So, what exactly is Solana? Simply put, Solana is a high-performance blockchain designed to support decentralized applications, or dApps, and crypto projects at lightning speed and low cost. Unlike traditional blockchains like Ethereum, which struggle with congestion and high gas fees, Solana uses a unique technology called Proof of History, or POH, that allows it to process transactions from how Solana works in a simple way. Most blockchains rely on proof of work like Bitcoin or proof of stake like Ethereum too. But Solana introduces Proof of History, pronounced POH. This system records a historical timeline of transactions, allowing validators to agree on the order of transactions without needing to communicate constantly. This reduces delays and increases efficiency. So, why are people choosing Solana over other blockchains? Here are some big advantages. Speed. Faster than Ethereum and Bitcoin. Low fees. No more paying high gas fees. Scalability. Handles thousands of transactions seamlessly. Growing ecosystem used in decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, gaming, and Web3 projects. Developer-friendly. Great support for building new applications. That's why big projects like Stepney Sumashiniadas, Stepen, Magic Eden NFT Marketplace, and Serum DeFi Exchange are built on Solana. Now that you know what Solana is and why it's gaining traction, let's get started. Step 1. Get a Solana wallet. The most popular choice is Phantom Wallet. It's available as a browser extension and mobile app. Go to phantom.app, download and install it. Set up your wallet and securely store your recovery phrase. Step 2. Buy SOL. Solana's native token. You can buy SOL on exchanges like Binance, Coinbase or Kraken. Transfer SOL to your Phantom Wallet. Step 3. Explore the Solana ecosystem. Try buying an NFT on Magic Eden. Use Solana-based DeFi platforms like Radium. Play blockchain-based games built on Solana. And that's it. You're now part of the Solana ecosystem. And that's a wrap. You now have a solid understanding of Solana, how it works, and how to start using it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto content. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.